Obereda ya reke twambe twamukire mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie. Mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie. Makiria ma motungata ngiri imwe maria maheanagwo ni mathukuru ma ngathi cia iguru ni maronekana rurenda-ini rwa eCitizen. Aruti wira ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri kunyita mbaru ndereti ya aruti a wira a muingi sekta-ini ya urigitani. Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto kwambĩrĩria thabarĩ yake bũrũri-inĩ wa Mozambique. Thukuru wa secondary wa St Anthony kũhũrwo bao ĩmwe kwa kĩbũgũ nĩ timu ya Dagoretti mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia mathako ma secondary iria irathiĩ na mbere Kakamega. Na ngoririkanie no korwo kiaraniria nanie kugerera kuria nenda-ini citu cia ukinyaniria kuria mwena wa YouTube at Muthingi TV na kwa kuria mwena wa Facebook Muthingi TV kana page-ini yakwa ya Waitherero wa Njoroge. Na tukiambiriria ni ati thukuru cia university cia thirikari ni mwambiririe kugathika motungata mao mutambo-ini wa thirikari wa eCitizen kumana na riandikithia ria mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto riakorirwo akiandikithia tariki 30 mweri-ini wa itandatu mwaka uyu na kuria augire no nginya thukuru ciothe cirumirire riandikithia riu. Mwandiki witu ti wa Njohi kana ti Chege wa Njohi ena riboti ino makiria.
University cia thirikari gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ciambĩrĩirie kũgathĩka motungata mao mũtambo-inĩ wa thirikari wa eCitizen kumana na rĩendekithia rĩa o nginya rĩrĩa rĩaheanirwo nĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagitari William Ruto tarĩki 30 mweri-inĩ wa gatandatũ mwaka-inĩ ũyũ ĩta njĩra ya gũtacũkia ikinya rĩa gũtwara bũrũri harĩ ũthii wa na mbere na njĩra ya kũhũthĩra mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu.
Now, just to begin, we are all aware that the government is moving digital. His Excellency the President, on the launch of eCitizen platform on 30th of June, directed that all government institutions, whether universities, whether parastatals, have to comply with the migration from their from many other systems they are in to the eCitizen platform.
Akiaria hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria gĩikaro kĩa atongoria a thukuru cia university mwena wa Mlolongo, mwandĩki mũkaru motungata-inĩ ma thirikari Professor Julius Bitok augĩte atĩ itua rĩrĩ rĩrongoreirie kũngania kĩgĩna makĩria kuma tiririoni 2.1 nginyagia tiririoni 4.5 kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩrogotagwo nĩ university icio.
Right now we are collecting close to 2.1 trillion, but we have projected with the help of Treasury to collect 4.5 trillion when we utilize technology to be able to collect more taxes.
Nginyagia rĩu pay bills 1,480 nĩcio cigathĩkĩtwo mũtambo-inĩ ũcio na ingĩ makĩria nĩ ciĩrĩgĩrĩirwo kũgathĩkwo thikũ 30 citanathira kũringana na watho.
And I'm happy to note that by yesterday we had 1,414 payments which had been closed, and that we are in the process of closing a few remaining pay bills.
Muoroto munene wa ikinya rĩu rĩa kũhũthĩra mũtambo wa eCitizen nĩ kũheana motungata kũrĩ andũ othe hatarĩ mũthutũkanio, kuongerera kĩgĩna hamwe na kũhukia ungumania na makĩria kuongerera mĩeke ya mawĩra gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
The objective is to enhance service delivery. We want service delivery to be enhanced. Two, we want to enhance revenue collection. The third reason why we are encouraging this platform is because we want to eliminate corruption. We realize that there are so many leakages, and the government, His Excellency, is very clear in his mind. By leveraging on technology, is able to reduce corruption and leakages in resources. We're also going to create quite a number of job opportunities.
Thirikari riu ni kuhota gukinyia motungata mayo matura-ini mothe guku bururi-ini unyitaniri-ini na kambuni citiganite ta Safaricom na bengi ya KCB na riu bururi ugukorwo rugendo-ini rwa ukuria na uthii wa
This is what we are calling Gavam Kononi. It's going to be rolled to every village, and we are using M-Pesa model, and we have partnered with Safaricom, Airtel, KCB, Equity, and we are going to roll out what we call Gava Express, that is express booths in every village to ensure that government services are available in every village.
Andu-ini ha Muthingi TV riakwa ni Shege wa Wanjohi.
With the digital transformation, we shall be able to transform the country, we shall be able to provide services in a more efficient way.
Mwanya kuri mwandiki witu ti Shege wa Wanjohi ni undu wa riboti iyo. Tugithii na mbere ni ati maabitha a DCI ni mambikite uthuthuria iguru rigie njuragano ya umwe wao na uria ni abitha murugamiriri wa gicigo kia Makadara David Mayaka. Na kuringana na kamera cia thiri cia CCTV, Mayaka aronekana kuhurwo rithathi ni andu atatu aria mataronekana thiini wa kamera ino na makorirwo magiuka na nduthi makimugutha rithathi na magicoka gukorwo magitharana thiini wa kamera ino. Mutumia wake ni aronekana akiuga akihoya andu a wendi mwega makorwo makimuteithia kuona muthuri wake ni akorirwo akihurwo kana akiuragwo. Atatu aya na thie na mbere na gwithanwo nao.
Around 9:30, between 9 and 10, na ilifanyikia pale. Hapo unaona hiyo crate ya soda, hapo ndio ilifanyikia. Hapo ndio probox ilipigiwa marisasi na watu ya Duthi. Hapo. Hiyo ndio ilifanyikia hapo. Kama 2-3 sababu si moja. Kwangu mimi naona wanaweza kuwa wakora wa kawaida, sababu kulingana na CCTV walipita, wakarudi, alafu wakakuja sasa wakampiga. Mimi naona kwangu mimi kwa maoni yangu naona ni kama ni wakora wa kawaida. Na message pia nayo yangu kwa askari polisi na maofisa wa usalama. Ukipewa information, treat it with a lot of confidence. Ile kitu wananchi wanaogopa ni unapeana information, kesho hiyo information imeleak. Sasa si unaona huko kwa hatari.
Nipeleke kwa Morocco madam. Nipeleke kwa Morocco. Polisi ndio hii polisi. Anarudi polisi kama nini? Polisi kama nini?
Riboti yake muno makiria kuria DCI wa kuma kuria mwena wa Makadara arakorirwo ikiuragwo na tuba ikihoya ati family yake orondo mwena mutumia wake maokorwo makiamukira kihoto kiao nao aria marakorirwo magitabania giko kiu ni maokorwo magikinyukirio makinya makiwatho. Tugithii na mbere ni ati anyiti itemi na makiria sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri mathiite na mbere na kuheana mendikithia mao iguru rigie ndereti ya guthaitira aria maratabania wira uyu na ndereti iria ikinyitio mbere ya gikaro kia mwanya ya Senate umuthi githikiririo rita ria keri matongoretio ni mwandiki mukaru sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Harry Kimutai ni moritie kamiti iyo itikire kuiyuhia ndereti ino niguo ikorwo ikihitukio ni watho.
has drafted a primary health care bill, which include the community health services articulated in this bill, and the primary health care bill has been forwarded to the National Assembly Department Committee of Health for their concurrence and introduction as a bill in the National Assembly so that it becomes a committee bill. The Ministry of Health therefore recommends that the Senate Health Committee reviews the primary health care bill to ensure that the issues proposed in the Community Health Service Bill 2023 have been captured, and if not, then the amendments can be done in that bill. Chair, that is our submission.
There are very many pieces of different legislation from different corners. We also, I think, have the community health workers bill, which also speaks to these issues. Now we also have this community health services bill. Now we're introducing a new baby altogether that will allow you to blow your trumpet again, primary health care bill. We just want to see how what legislative framework can we put in place that addresses all these issues as one.
Because our chair is online, I wanted to add 1, 2, 3 comments before the PS leave.
Yes.
And PS, I forgot to just identifications. I think legal person can assist us if our standing order and the standing order of National Assembly can allow both houses to sponsor the bill of PHC. I don't know, you can guide us later, but let's hear from our chair, able chair.
Before you hear from the chair, I just wanted to have concurrence. Who can sponsor this bill for us? Is it National Assembly Committee or the Senate Committee? Not that the two. Senate. So we'll agree who is going to sponsor.
Yes, we agree. Let's hear from our chair.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni acerete bururi-ini wa Mozambique umuthi niguo akorwo na miario na mutongoria wa bururi ucio ya guteithiriria mabururi maya meri mathie na mbere. Icera-ini riri mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto na ukorwo agikira kirore uiguano ucio niguo kurumia ndugu ya bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa Mozambique.
There are other aspects we talked about, and tomorrow we'll be able to detail these and the economic and social area. But we talked more on agriculture, cattle raising, trade, transport, mineral resources, and in the area of the technicians who have to support the conservation area.
The Continental Free Trade Area, which we are both signatories, is consolidating the African market so that we can eliminate barriers, roadblocks, and unnecessary bureaucracy that impede movement of people, movement of goods, movement of services. And with the consolidation of the African continent as one trading bloc, Your Excellency, through the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, we have the opportunity to grow our economies using both the private sector, people who are business people, and I'm very happy that we have a big business delegation from Kenya who will be interacting with the business community in this country.
Na tugakihoka teicera ria mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto kuria bururi-ini wa Mozambique ni gukorwo rikirehe umithio bururi-ini. Tugithii na mbere ni ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni gukorwo ikihingira thitongonia cia kuiga bataraitha ya raithi icigo-ini ciothe 4 cia ubunge na kurumirira ihoya riria ketio ni gavana wa kaunti ino Anne Waiguru akiuga arimi ni makorwo magithinika ni undu wa ngonia ici cia bataraitha ya raithi toria mwandiki witu Titreza Wainaina aratarithia.
There are other aspects we
tugaga mwanawe na keodaga gake
Gavana Anne Waiguru egoikia ihoya kuri mutongoria wa bururi etekirio kuhingura thito cia kuiga bataraitha ya raithi niguo aremi matie guthie thavari ndaya kinya thito ya irio nyumu ya thagana.
Mheshimiwa Rais, hawa watu ni wakulima na umetuagizia fertilizer. Lakini fertilizer ikifika inaenda kule Sagana. Na Sagana ni mbali sana kwa wakulima wote wa Kirinyaga. Sisi tunataka kukuomba Mheshimiwa Rais, kama vile nilikuwa nakwambia, tukuwe na station hapa Kirinyaga, watu wa Geshogo wakuwe na mahali ya kulikujia. Kukuwe na station zingine kule kwa factory, kule upande wa Mwea kukuwe na kwingine.
Ihoerera President etekera natha na thito ici kuhingurwo icigo-ini ciothe cia ubunge Kirinyaga nicio Geshogo, Mwea, Dia na Kirinyaga Central.
Na mambo ya fertilizer amesema, Mheshimiwa, ukifungua store mimi nitaweka fertilizer ya kutosha kila mahali hapa Kirinyaga. Na tuweke Kirinyaga, tuweke Kirinyaga Central, tuweke Ndia, tuweke Mwea. Si namna hiyo? Tuko pamoja? Wera warie.
Maundu-ini megie urigitani maria mekeirwo urito ni thibitari wa Kirinyaga uria urahaicio ngathi kinya level ya 4 thutha wa tabarira itiganite iria ihakwe kurika thibitari-ini ino Riuguru akenda uteithio wa macini cia urigitani ritana riria President eraniire kuhingia na kuheana kigina kia macini.
Mambo ya hospitali, alikuwa ameniambia mambo ya hospitali yenu hapa na ameweka pesa ya kujenga. Mimi nitakusaidia milioni 200 ya kuweka equipment. Na ikiwa tayari Disemba nitakuja na hiyo equipment. Neguo.
Muikarigiti wa kambuni ya Kenya Seed Wangui wa Ngirisi neranĩire gutigirira mbegu cia raithi na ikiro kia iguru ni ciakinyira aremi matura-ini.
Na nitawaletea mbegu kama vile I have been instructed by the president. Sawa?
Aya.
Na mbegu wanandaleta president yarugire tugwethie mbei banini. Kwa Kenya Seed tukuleta mbegu njega, certified seed ambayo tumeteremsha nini?
Ihinda-ini o riu nake seneta wa Kirinyaga na uria nowe muikarigiti wa kamiti ya urimi bunge ya Senate akiuria mutongoria wa bururi kumurika weru mathogora ma dawa iria aremi marahuthira hari urimi wao.
Nitaongea kuhusu mambo ya chemicals. Madawa ya kupiga kahawa ni ghali mno. Hata tukipeana fertilizer kuna shida kwa sababu ya magonjwa ya CBD.
Bataraitha ino ya raithi ikoretwo ikinyira aremi a kahua thutha-ini itiganite cia kahua kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga.
Your Excellency, mimi nataka kukuomba, mimi nitajitolea kutafuta store. Ukikubalisha watu wako, mimi nitafungua store kila mahali, ndio hawa watu wakuwe na mahali ya kuenda kupata fertilizer karibu.
Ngirivotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Titreza Wainaina.
Na twecokeria ngatho gavana wa kuma kuria kaunti ya Kirinyaga ndu ukorwo ikirora arimi na ritho riega kuona riu marikoragwo makiamukira fertilizer cia bei ya thi. Tukithii na mbere ni ati kuhingwo kwa iganda nyingi cia igwa mwena wa ithwiro ria bururi nigucungireire unyihu wa magetha ma igwa na mutongoria wa kiganda kia West Kenya Sugar George Muli na titeithitie bata wa kurora weru mawatho ma iganda ici handu ha ukorwo cihinga. Aikiuga ati uhoro wa kuhinga iganda cia igwa guku bururi-ini ni ucungireire unyihu wa cukari oro ndumwe na wagi wa mawira. Mwandiki witu ena riboti ino makiria. Kuhingo kwa iganda nyingĩ cia igwa ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri nĩ gũcũngĩrĩirie ũnyihu wa magetha ma igwa, wagi wa cukari na ũici. Ũũ nĩ kũringana na atongoria a iganda ngũrani bũrũri-inĩ arĩa mauma na gĩikaro ũmũthĩ.
Tumefunga na viwanda vingine vimefunga na matatizo yameongezeka na njaa na wizi na ukosefu wa kujimudu kimaisha. Jambo ambalo sasa limeletea uagizaji wa sukari na nataka hapa ni kilio.
Kũringana na George Muli, ũrĩa nĩ mũtongoria wa kĩganda kĩa West Kenya Sugar, nĩ atarĩirie ũrĩa kũhingwo kwa iganda ici kũgũithĩtie mabiacara ngũrani icigo-inĩ cia ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri.
Have a pool of, in excess of 1,000 tractors which are now grounded, and each tractor is being manned by 3 members of staff, i.e. we have the driver and 2 assistants. So cumulatively those are 3,000 jobs lost. The people, look at the borders for example, because most of our employees are being ferried to work through that mode of transport. Look at the hoteliers, people offer food. Look at the landlords who provide accommodation. It's just bizarre.
Muli nĩ ongereire na kuga iganda ciothe ibatie kũrũgama na arĩmi na kũmanyitirĩra no ti kũrũgama na ateti.
All the millers should invest in farmer support. You get your farmers, you contract them, and we have regulation that is enforceable. So I think the government, the regulator, should ensure that all millers are actually investing in farmer support. As we'll want to use politicians, they're supporting politicians. Whereas we as West Kenya, we're supporting the farmers. And that is the way to go. Why should you support a politician?
Weloimo nĩ arĩkĩrĩirie na kuga kĩhonia nĩ gũikara thĩ na kwarĩrĩria mathĩna marĩa magũmĩire iganda ici nĩguo mahote gũkorwo magĩciũkĩria, kuona iganda nyingĩ cia igwa nĩ ihingĩtwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Tuzungumzia matatizo yote ambayo yanatukabili. Tuzungumzie haya maneno ya poaching, tuzungumzie maneno ambayo tunahitaji kurejesha ile tulikuwa nayo sugar board. Hata baada haya mazungumzo yapelekwe kwa bunge na bunge lipitishe iwe sheria ambayo itaweza kumlinda mkulima, sheria ambayo pia itaweza kumtetea yule mwekezaji, yule mwenye factory.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, rĩakwa nĩ Waitherero wa Njoroge. Na tũgaikihoka atĩ iteta rĩu rĩa arĩmi a igwa rĩgũkorwo rĩgĩthikĩrĩrio nĩgetha iganda itige gũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo ikĩhingwo. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ mũrutwo ũmwe wa mĩaka 13 na ũrĩa wĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũikarĩra kĩgeranio gĩa KCPE thukuru-inĩ wa St Paul Karon tũra-inĩ rĩa Kitaragen kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot ya ithũĩro ararũĩrĩra kana akorwo akĩrĩra mũtũrĩre wake thutha wake gũkorwo na mũrimũ wa ngoro gwa kahinda ka mĩeri ere na Debora ũrĩa wĩikaraga na cũcũ wao nĩaugĩte ndakoretwo thukuru-inĩ kuma kwambĩrĩria kwa mwaka ũyũ kuona akoretwo ena mũrimũ wa ngoro gwa kahinda ka mĩaka ere na ndahotete gũkorwo agĩthondekwo nĩ kuona famĩlĩ yao ndĩrĩ na ũhoti. Rĩu nĩikĩtie ihoya kũrĩ thirikari ya kaunti ĩno na andũ a wendi mwega makorwo makĩmũteithĩrĩria kũrigitwo mũrimũ ũyũ wa ngoro nĩguo ahote gũkorwo agĩcokereria mathomo make.
Ilianza kuuma kama kifua. Sasa nilikuwa naendea shule leo. Nikifika shule nilikuwa nachoka sana. Sasa hatuko najua ni nini. Ndugu yangu alinipeleka hospitali na wakapima. Walikuwa nadhani kifua, wakanidungia dawa ya pneumonia. Mpaka 2022 ndo wakapima sasa wakajua kumbe ni shida ya roho. Sasa walipojua wakatuambia wanapeleka Nairobi na hata hatuna pesa ya kupeleka huko. Mbona msaada mtusaidie. Hata kwa shule sikusoma term 1 na term 2 na niko class 8. Sijui nitafanya nini, mnisaidie.
Hii mtoto akakuja kutoka mahali mama yake kwake yuko chini, akakuja kaa na mimi, akasema koko kifua nauma. Akamwambia sasa nini jebo iko? Sasa sijui nauma, hata kama kimwambia aende kuni, anakuja anatupa chini kuni akachoka. Akakuja sasa koko. Iko kitu unauma hapa, anamwambia sasa twende hospitali. Akaenda kudunga dawa na mimi tu na kushughulikia. Mama yake hana chochote hata nini, hata kwake kienda saa hii nyumba yake, hata kuku hakuna, hata nini. Ni watoto hii anaangalia mimi kama baba.
Said that she has a swelling in the heart and needs an urgent operation. So as a school, we have taken the initiative to go to the education office. Mr. Ngamati, in fact, helped us so much. He's the director of education. Also, we sought help from the children's department.
Na tugaikihoka ati andu a uteithio kana andu a wendi mwega orodo mwe na thirikari no ya Pokot ya ithwiro ni gukorwo magiteithiriria kairitu gaka niguo kahote guthie na mbere na mathomo make. Riboti iyo ni gukorwo ikihe kahinda ga gukorwo ngikunda tumai ndugakorwo githie haraya na mune ndiracokereria na riboti ingi nyingi makiria.
Nako kaguru karime gatihana kari muhuru nake mumagari niyo nagira
ndutaga wira wa kwendia hema migeka na ngonia kini wira ura ndiraga na guko niyo
ni tutamburaga kio gitu na thabari itu miethere-ini
akai kunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV
nikio nitugicemanagia o kiumia tabarira-ini ya mwihang'iri turi na mwihang'iri witu agitutirithia thabari yake kinya hau akinyite
yandiko ni muthuri wiho andikitwo gibanda ki hare rugongo
ni oguku ceceni-ini ya Muthingi TV na nie Mwangi wa Murugi.
Muturire-ini uyu ni gutongana na andu mithemba yothe, anini, akuru, akeni na amwe maihoretwo ni ihoru. No haria yothe gutire utari karugano gake ka gikeno, kieha kana matina mundu anakiruka.
Ta mwana ni ndatwikire so embarrassed na hau ni ndakorirwe no tho mwingi muno towards my mom.
Ndakimenya ngoma nake tikihi. Ndakimenya nake ngoma tikihi.
Nikio nie Njeri wa Mwangi tukite na tabarira ya rugano rwaku kagia na kamweke ga gutwira maria wanagerera na githomo kiria wathomire kuri macio mothe ni o Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema. Hihi niwe nere maritwa ta your honor, acquittal, accused, conviction mahuthikaga. Niwe makinya magukinyukia niguo wone kihoto giaku kana kia mwana waku.
Andu ni metikiritio kiwatho kururungana.
Ndwagirirwo gutwarwo police station. Ni undu wa defamation.
Tabarira-ini ya watho kigeri-ini tugakuhe kahinda ga kuria kiuria na gutuhe woni waku.
No mwaka ukona evidence na nie ndina right ya ukureport.
Ndufati kuruma mundu o wothe ona kungigia na thina ni kubati kuya ikinya rira kwagiriire.
Nyitanagira na nie your lady Waitherero wa Njoroge thiini wa tabarira ya watho kigeri-ini tuthome na tuhige hamwe ici ciigie watho orodumwe na kihoto guku kwa Muthingi TV arikio kihumo gia gutherema. Tokoro tugicokereria rorenge mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV krone higora higorera karavisheni yaku igwe mucie tuthie na mbere na kuona uria bururi wa tindia. Thirikari ya kibũrũri nĩ hotorete gũkĩrĩra mibango ya waki wa manyũmba ma raithi hamwe na kũrĩkĩrĩria tabarĩra iria cirũgamĩte mwena wa kaunti ya Siaya arĩa igũcoka kũneo aikari a kũu na gavana wa Siaya James Orengo gĩcemania na aneani a waki nĩatũgĩrĩtie ikinya rĩu rĩa PS wa nyũmba na ũkũria wa kũria bũrũri oro ũndũ ũmwe na taũni ĩno ya Siaya.
Spark and the markets are an integral unit. If they can be built and designed to, in a way that they will be consistent in terms of use, each feeding to the other, will be most excited, and that's why we said it is a partnership with the county largely funding the bus park.
The 4 blocks for the first phase, because I think this is what we want in phases. What I was also thinking is that however much we are going to design these markets, we should do markets. It's like a model. So that we don't only work on one area and leave others. There are moments that a market has a lot of things that really needs to be done, like drainage, roads, a lot of inlets. So I'm considering that if we are doing the planning, all the architectural drawings, please consider all those. Even if you are not going to work on it, perhaps it will give us an impetus to move forward and ensure that whatever market we work on is habitable to all aspects and is attractive to investors. For the municipal market, to look at the affordable housing and a number of ESP markets that have been earmarked for construction. So our focus is on the affordable housing and the municipal market. We have 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, we have 1 bedroom and bedsitter. It's hybrids in those units. So that is the first assignment. The second one is on the municipal market. The site is at Siaya, within the municipality. We already had design that was developed by us some time back. I also understand there are other designs that have been done by the county. And this is kind of an integrated project because we also have a bus park within the vicinity. The grand design.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati thikũ igĩrĩ thutha wa gĩikaro kĩa andũ akũrũ kanitha-inĩ wa PCA Thogoto ũrĩa ũrĩ Gĩkũyũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu gũkorwo ũkĩmũrĩkwo thutha wa gũkorwo ũgĩcukĩrwo gũkorwo makĩhahama andũ akũrũ kĩmwĩrĩ. Kundi cia gũteithĩrĩria andũ akũrũ nĩ ithiĩte mĩena ĩtiganĩte na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ andũ akũrũ nĩ makorwo makĩnyitĩrĩrwo thutha wa riboti ĩrĩa yakorirwo ĩkĩandĩkithio nĩ ceceni ya kĩmabũrũri ya Mohoro ya BBC ikĩonania andũ akũrũ makihahamwo. Rĩu atongoria a kanitha wa PCA nĩ maumĩrĩte magakorwo makĩherera a Kenya oro ũndũ ũmwe na andũ akũrũ makiuga nĩ magakorwo makĩrũmĩrĩra ndeto ĩyo nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra matinakorwo makihahamwo na arĩa maragĩtabania ciĩko ici nĩ magakorwo magĩkinyũkĩrio makinya ma kĩwatho.
Kuna lile ambalo lilitokea na likatangazwa kwingi na tunahuzunika kwa maovu ambayo yalionekana, lakini tunasema kwamba mji huu ni wa maana sana. Kwa hivyo tuwapaswa kuendelea kuimarisha na kuuboresha, kwa sababu kama mnavyoona una wazee wengi sana na wazee hawa wanahitaji huduma hii, na siku za usoni miji kama hii itakuwa miji ya maana sana. Ndio mkizunguka hapa mtaona tumefungua mabweni mengine ya kusaidia wazee ambao tunaona watakuja hapa, na kwa hivyo tutaweza kuboresha yale mambo ambayo hatujayafikia.
As we implement the Vision 2030, older people of Kenya have been left behind in all areas. And the most serious is when we reach a certain age, even the insurance companies run away from older people. We need an act of parliament kuhakikisha Mkenya yeyote akona haki sawa. Haki sawa ni kwamba, kwa nini unainsure mtoto wangu na nikizeeka unakataa kuniinsure? Wabunge wetu wanaweza elezea hiyo. Ni lini mtu anakosaga kuwa mtu? Anapewa huyu ati ni wa insurance na huyu mwingine si wa insurance. Ya pili na ya muhimu zaidi, kwa nini bunge letu limeamua kunominate women representative and even the youth representatives, people with disability representatives and not older people?
Tuko na guidelines kutoka social protection, but is that enough? It's not. Tunahitaji sheria, act of parliament, ambayo mambo yote yako incorporated, ndio hata pesa ile ya wazee ikichelewa tuweze kufuatilia. Saa hizi we are holding no one accountable kwa sababu hiyo sio sheria. Ndio unasikia wazee walipata pesa yao Januari mara ya mwisho, walipata tena July, walipata tena December, because hiyo 2000 shwali.
We are asking the government, we need a legislation for older persons. This is a case, but what about many more cases that might arise in the future and even might have happened, but they were never aired or exposed? So our request to the government, we need to look at the legislation, the older persons legislation in this country. And lastly, let us learn from the mistakes that happen so that we can improve the well-being of older persons in our country.
Ripoti ya kia muno makiria na tuwa ikihoka aria marakorwo magitabania ciiko ici cia kuhahama andu akoro makorwo maikinyukirio makinya ma kiwatho. Mutumia munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Pastor Dorcas Gachagua niambiriirie motungata kana ni arathie na mbere na kunyitanira na anake anini aria mari rungu rwa mutaratara wake wa kuhonokia mwana wa kahi mwena wa Timau kaunti-ini ya Meru, na nginyagia riu anake 120 aria marahuthagira ndawa cia kurebia kuma icigo ciothe guku bururi-ini nio mari thiini wa mutaratara uyu wa gukorwo makimaiga na mawira na undu mareka gukorwo makirua na njohi ifango bururi-ini.
Na muko sawa sawa, na mukirudi nione mko kwa kazi, mufanye kazi, mupate familia, mutapate familia zenu. Wale wako ni baba, muende muwe baba wale ambaye wanaweza shughulikia mama na watoto wao, na hiyo ndio mimi iko ndani ya roho yangu. Na nikiangalia mimi naona maisha yenu ya hapo mbele iko sawa. Na ndio nataka mukate kauli, mambo ya ulevi, mabangi na nini muachane nayo, ndio tuweze kufanya kazi ambaye Mungu aliwaleta kufanya katika hii dunia.
Na tuecokeria ngatho mutumia wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Dorcas Gachagua ni undu wa wira mwega arathie na mbere na kurutira mbeu njithi thutha wa bunge ya gibururi kugathika kamiti ya kigina ya NGCDF. Riu kamiti iyo nianjitie kuhungura icigo bunge itiganite kaunti-ini ciothe 47 niguo kungania mawoni ma Kenya megemaine na uteithio wa kigina giki icigo-ini ciao. Kuringana na kamiti ino, kigina giki gibatie kugathikwo gatiba-ini ya kibururi. Mwandiki witu Teresa Wainaina ena riboti ino makiria.
Kuri abunge ya gibururi ende itua riri rikigarurwo.
Tufanye kwa utaratibu, manake sasa tunataka kusikiza maoni kutoka Nisuguru constituency.
Arugamiri a kigina kia NGCDF kuma icigo bunge ciothe 11 kuma kaunti ya Nakuru ni macemanite na kamiti ino ya kigina kia CDF niguo kuheana mawoni mao megemaine na kigina giki.
This NGCDF covers a wide area. It covers on those 3 things that we are fighting since independence: poverty, disease and illiteracy. NGCDF has 4 these phases. Kwanza ya education imeinua masomo ya jamii ya Wanakenya wote mpaka Turkana shule iko mahali ambapo haingefika.
Mwena-inĩ wake mũikarigĩtĩ wa kĩgĩna gĩkĩ mũmbunge wa Eldama Ravine Musa Sirma akiuga kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩtanyĩte kũhungura kaunti ciothe nĩguo monganie maoni ma Kenya megemainie na kĩgĩna gĩkĩ.
Kwa hivyo tumepata maoni na hiyo maoni tutawazilisha. Bado tunaenda kuzunguka kutafuta maoni kwa kila mahali. Hatutasema kama tumekubaliana au hatujakubaliana kwa sababu bado tuko na nafasi sisi tuweze kuzunguka nchi hii yetu, na tukiwa hapa wale wengine tumegawana.
Mwena-inĩ wa mũmbunge wa Ndagũrĩti ya Rũgongo Beatrice Elachi akiuga kũringana na Kenya kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nĩ kĩguni kĩnene kũrĩ o na gĩbatiĩ kũgathĩkwo gatiba-inĩ ya Kenya.
Pendekezo zao na pendekezo la muhimu kabisa wamesema ya kwamba tuangalie masuala ya basari, tuangalie masuala ya sports, tuangalie swala la environment, na sisi tunataka kuwashukuru na tumesema tumebeba pendekezo hilo na tunatumai pia kule nje watakuwa na haya mapendekezo ili tuweze kuhakikisha tunapo sasa fuata masuala yale koti ilisema, tutakuwa sasa tunaweza kusema sasa hii bill ama act ya CDF imeingiana sasa vizuri na katiba mpya.
Ngĩribotera Mũthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Triza Wainaina.
Tugithii na mbere ni ati aikari a itura ria Tuala gicigo kia ubunge gia Kajiado ya irathiro ni maikitie mateta ma uhaguku wa ugitiri wa reri ya SGR kumana na uthukangia munene wa reri iyo na uria uracungirirwo ni gukorwo ho gwa thoko ya Shumanguru makiria andu matoikaine magithukangia rugiri rwa thigigi na kwendia thoko-ini ino ya Shumanguru.
Naishi tu karibu na reli mahali reli ya kupita inapitia karibu kwa yangu, na ile shida nimeona hapo, nimewahi kusikia tu habari ya hizo waya za reli zikipotea, alafu kiatu kitu kama karai yote hapo, yote hiyo naibwa tu hivyo, vitu yote inahusika na scrap na iwe chuma nini, yote hiyo ndio vitu wanataka sana. Watu ile tumefanya tunangangana tu, mara tukienda polisi tunashika wengine mara lakini dawa tu ni inaletwa na wale wanafanya hiyo kazi. Kwa sababu katika area yetu
umetokea mambo ya wizi kidogo ya waya, babu waya, mesh waya ya ile iko kando ya hii line ya SGR. Juzi tuliamuka kama wiki moja iliyopita, tumeona kama kuna vandalism kutoa hiyo waya kwa kikingi. Hiyo waya wametoa kama 200 meters, wanafuruta na tumejaribu kufuatilia kwa maana haijafanyika mbeleni. Tumejaribu kufuatilia na kulingana na uchunguzi yangu mimi naona ni mambo ya hii metals, scrap metal, kwa sababu wakati ilibaniwa kwanza, ilipigwa marufuku, wizi ya chuma na nini ikaenda chini sana, lakini tangu irudi na iko almost kila mtu anakuwa all over, imetusumbua sana. Nimepata hiyo report ya milango ya chuma, mawaya kama hiyo, kwa sababu wanashika hiyo waya na kunja, naonekana wanaenda kupima kama kuuza kwa scrap metal. Na ile kitu ningesema tu kwamba naonanga kuna gari ya Kenya Police ya Railways, lakini ile ninaona sana hiyo security ya Railways, kwa sababu nilikuwa nimetumana kuwaita naonanga wako Ngong ili tuweze kujua, kwa sababu tukiachilia kidogo hivyo hiyo kitu itakuja kuwa vandalized na ni kitu mbaya sana, kwa sababu hiyo ni mradi mkubwa sana wa serikali yetu ya taifa ya Kenya.
Na ripoti hiyo igemaine na uthukangia wa SGR kuria itura-ini ria Tuala gicigo bunge gia Kajiado ya ithwiro ni ikorwo ikihe kahinda ga gukorwo ngirikiria ndugathi haraya ndiracokereria tukorwo tukihiuka imwe kwa imwe nginya kuria iharo-ini.
mithako marefeta nyimbo cia unduire tucunjĩ twa bibilia nyitanagira nani MC Hype Jemo o juma kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 nginya 3 cia kĩroko tugathoma tugakena na tugacanjamũka.
Hihi nioe nere maritwa ta your honor, acquittal, accused, conviction mahuthikaga. Nioe makinya magukinyukia niguo wone kihoto giaku kana kia mwana waku.
Andu nimetikiriitio kiwatho kururungana.
Ndwagĩrĩirwo gũtwarwo police station ni ũndũ wa defamation.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya watho kĩgeri-inĩ tugakuhe kahinda ga kũria kĩũria na gũtuhe woni waku.
No mwaka uko na evidence na niĩ ndĩna right ya gũkũreport. Ndũbatiĩ kũruma mũndũ o wothe ona kũngĩgĩa na thĩna nĩ kũbatiĩ kuoya ikinya rĩrĩa kwagĩrĩire.
Nyitanagira nani your lady Waitherero wa Njoroge thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya watho kĩgeri-inĩ tuthome na tuhige hamwe ici ciĩgiĩ watho oro ndũmwe na kĩhoto gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV arĩkĩo kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Tugicokereria oro ringi muroreri wa Mũthingi TV nditikiria tukorwo tukihiuka imwe kwa imwe nginya kuria iharo-ini na tukiambiriria ni ati bitika cia gĩbũrũri cia aria mari na mawathe ikereka ria 21 ni cingũrirwo Shafi mwena wa Kang'aro gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Embu kuria cirehete hamwe athaki kuma thukuru ngũrani gũkũ kuria maũkaranganaga handũ ha thikũ 6 na akĩhingũra mbĩtĩka ici mũrũgamĩrĩri wa Kenya Institute of Special Education nĩwe Norman Kiogora augĩte mbĩtĩka ici cigũkorwo cia gũteithĩrĩria kuonia arĩa marĩ na taranda na oho nĩ makorwo makĩonia arutwo aya atĩ mathako nĩ marĩhaga. Muciĩ wa Mombatha nĩguo ũgũkorwo ũkĩnyita ũgeni mbĩtĩka cia golf kuma bengi ya NCBA ikereka-inĩ rĩa 12 mũthĩ wa Juma kuria makĩria ma athaki 180 matanyĩtwo kũnyita itemi mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Nyali Golf Country Club na athaki aya othe magũkorwo makimatha tigiti wa gũthaka mbĩtĩka ikereka-inĩ rĩa finals mwena-inĩ wa arũme na nyarari oho nĩ magakorwo makĩhitanĩria na ngari kana magakorwo makithaka thĩinĩ wa mbĩtĩka ici.
It is such a pleasure to grace this prize-giving occasion of what has been the 10th leg of the NCBA 2023 Golf Series at this great club of Muthaiga. It is such a pleasure to see you all here, gathered tonight, and turning out in very large numbers. I express my admiration and appreciation for the remarkable talent and skill showcased here today, and your skills and sportsmanship have truly been outstanding, and this makes this leg memorable and exciting. I would like to congratulate the winners of today's tournament. Your performance and competitive spirit have earned you a well-deserved slot to play in the series grand finale.
Ngaragano cia English Premier League nĩ itanyĩtwo gũcokereria mũthĩ wa rũciũ na ũũ nĩ thutha wacio gũteo kahinda ga kũhũmũka thutha wa kĩmera kĩa kia girigire na mirongo iri na igirigire na mirongo iri na ithatũ kũinĩkĩrĩra na kĩrabu kĩa Manchester City gĩtugwo na ahotani. Okay. Hau niho tukorwo tugikirira gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma thaa ici ngatho cia mwanya kuri we wa kukinyitanira nani hwaini wa muthenya wa umuthi ngatho cia mwanya kuri andiki aitũ a mohoro aria makorwo makiruta wira munene utigirira mohoro maya ni wa ukorwo ukimwamukira na njira iria yagirire. My director mundu gwitwo Mika Mugambi, thank you so much. My camera ready mundu gwitwo Beth na my able producer mundu gwitwo Mark Ndwati na rĩothe makorwo makiri wira munene geithia andu aigana na mundu gwitwo Caroline wa boy ekure mwena wa Gashie, thank you so much. Mundu gwitwo Cleophas Kangethe, asante sana. Mundu gwitwo Tael Siereri, mundu gwitwo Shaibu SNR na rĩothe makorwo makinya kuri page yetu ya Facebook. Gacokia ngatho muno makiria nie kwendithĩria gutuko mwega thie na mbere na kwirorera Muthingi TV arikio kihumo ya gutherema ritwa rĩakwa ni Waitherero wa Njoroge.
Gukenare